Within the broader field of healing, I think this practice sits everywhere. I honestly believe that this sits everywhere. It's at the very start. This is the paramedic site of any spiritual healing, because without a clear body, healing just won't be as effective.
People are seeking our help because they're going through traumas, pain, lack of understanding. Most people have tried different things to help them and resolve the problems they have and haven't found the right outcome, and then they start turning to spiritual therapies like ours.
The more clients I worked on, I realised that there was more negative impact in their lives which we could clear spiritually. And by doing so, it just drew my natural passion into helping people clear the negative.
We set the highest ethical training standards for our organisation, and that was something that was a dictate from the outset. We are the world-leading organisation, and we have a world-leading ethical standard behind us.
There should be a world authority leading the standards in this because of the nature of the vulnerable people that we work with. We insist on very high standards from our practitioners, and we insist also that these high standards are continued moving forwards.
The work is actually performed by the spirit guide, so the spirit guide performs the spiritual intervention. The team of two, the facilitator and the medium, are working together to connect with the spirit guide to detail and report the findings from the session.
The more people become spiritually aware, the more you realise that you can amplify your own light. The more light that's amplified throughout the world means that the dark will be extinguished.